Yes, good afternoon to all. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Whether the screen is visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Welcome back to this session of engineering basic civil and mechanical engineering. Actually, I was teaching this engineering mechanics to the other division. I was recalling that one only. Okay. So what we have studied in the last class? Yes, what we have studied? Yes. So we have studied about the environmental. Okay. What are the environmental engineering? So what are the different branches of environmental engineering? Yes. Can anybody tell me what are the different branches of environmental engineering? What are the other branches of environmental engineering? Yes. Am I audible? Hello.
Water supply engineering.
Yes. Water supply engineering.
Sanitary
Wastewater
engineering.
Sanitary engineering. Okay. And again, there is a pollution engineering. Wait, 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Is it visible with full screen?
Full screen is sir.
Full, sir.
Now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, okay. In the last class, we were discussing about the water supply engineering. Okay. So this is water supply engineering, collection of the water, storage, treatment, and supply. Okay. So again, there is the sanitary engineering is also called as. Yes, sanitary engineering is also called as wastewater engineering. Okay. So again, we have seen the solid waste management. So these are the some of the physical parameters and chemical parameters we have seen. Next. So this is the flow diagram for the water supply engineering. Correct? No. So how the water is moving? So screening, aeration, coagulation, circulation, circulation, sedimentation, filtration, disinfection, and storage reservoir. Okay, so one by one we were studying in the last class. Correct. Intake structures we have taken. So what this intake structure will do? It will supply the water from yes, what? कहाँ से? हाँ? कहाँ से it will supply water from source? Okay, sources to source to कहाँ? WTP. WTP मतलब क्या है?
Water treatment plant.
Yes, water treatment plant. So this is what is this? So this is entire is it is dam. Okay, so this is entire it is a dam. So from this dam, water is transferred to the treatment plant. There is a WTP. Okay, so a dam से कैसे water pass करने का? Through the what is this one? It is intake structure. Through the structure that is called as intake structure. So it is help to safely withdrawing the water from the source over a predetermined pool levels. Okay, so you should remember just to transfer the water from the source to the WTP. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next is screening. So from the source to the WTP को आ गया. WTP में what is your first element? That is screening. So what this screening will do? Okay. So entire water from the source to it will come to the this screening. So these are the bars. Okay. So these bars will separate the macro particles. Okay. What are the macro particles? They may be leaf of the trees. There may be wooden pieces. Okay. There may be larger size stones and all that will remove all the macro particles through the screens. Okay, this will separate and rest water will flow to the another chamber. Is it clear what this screening will do? This is the first unit operation used for the water treatment plant. Screening removes objects such as leaf of the trees, other floating particles to prevent the damage and clogging of the downstream equipment, piping and equipment appurtenance. So बाकी जो पाइपिंग इक्विपमेंट appurtenances को डैमेज नहीं होने का रहता. कहाँ से? फ्लोटिंग मैटर से. That's why those floating matters are removed. Okay, so this is the function of the screening. Okay, next. This is aeration tank. So you have seen that is from the. So if this is a dam, okay, if this is a dam, so from the dam it will take onto the WTP. So इधर क्या रहता? First step is screening हो गया. Screening से बाद water is taken into the it is aeration tank. Okay, aeration. So here what is aeration? Actually कैसे रहता है aeration? This is a pipeline. Okay, this is pipeline रहता है. So this is tank. Okay, this water is thrown like this. Water is thrown like this. Okay, from the inside. See, there is a pipe. From that pipe, water is thrown to the atmosphere. ऐसे atmosphere को thrown होने से इसमें जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वगैरह है तो पानी में that is disappear and maximum water will be in contact with the oxygen. It means dissolved oxygen content in the water will increases and hydrogen sulfide वगैरह ऐसे कुछ material वगैरह है तो that will removed. Okay, see the process of bringing the water intimate contact with the air to increase the dissolved oxygen content in water is called as aeration. Okay, so in general कैसे बोलने का? So to bring the water in contact with the air, so in order to increase the dissolved oxygen in water. Okay, so क्यों करने का? So it brings water in and air in close contact in order to remove. See what it will remove. Aeration करने से क्या remove हो जाएगा? It will remove dissolved gases such as carbon dioxide and oxides, dissolved metals such as iron. Okay, iron का metal वगैरह है तो बाद में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वगैरह है तो दैट विल डिसॉल्व, ओके, दैट विल ऑक्सीडाइज, एंड हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड वोलेटाइल ऑर्गेनिक केमिकल्स ऐसे कुछ मटेरियल ऐसे है तो दैट विल रिमूव थ्रू द कांटेक्ट ऑफ एयर, ठीक है. दिस इज द प्रोसीजर ऑफ द एरेशन इट विल डू. इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन? See the diagram how the water is flowing from the inside to it is flowing. ऐसे फ्लो होते होते मैक्सिमम कांटेक्ट सरफेस ऑफ द वाटर इज इन कांटेक्ट विथ एयर, करेक्ट? So step by step see the steps, okay, it means maximum amount of water is in contact with the air. Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, others, only one person is giving answers.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, aeration किया तो क्या क्या हो जाएगा? So this aeration object, oh, what is the object? To remove the dissolved gases. What are the dissolved gases? Hydrogen sulfide, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide. So ये सारे gases remove कर सकते हैं from the raw water. It also increases dissolved oxygen content. So it will remove dissolved gases and it will increase dissolved oxygen in the water. To remove color and odor considerably. So small amount of color and odor it will remove. And to remove iron and manganese precipitate. Okay, in case water is having iron and manganese, then it will remove. Okay, this is the objectives of aeration. So आपको 1 marks question में आ जाएगा. Okay, which one is not the objective of aeration? So any 3 will be asked and 1 more may be another one. Okay, in that case you should remember what are the that is objectives of aeration. What it will do aeration में? So it will remove dissolved gases. Yeah, it will increases dissolved oxygen. It will remove color and odor considerably. It will remove iron and manganese precipitate. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Sir.
Next. Okay. So after, so from the screening, which type of material you have removed? Which type of material you have removed? Micro or macro?
Macro.
Macro particles you have removed. From the aeration, what you have removed? Dissolved gases you have removed. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next step is coagulation. So this coagulation, what is this coagulation? Just see. Coagulation is a process used to neutralize the charges and form gelatinous mass to trap particles, thus forming a mass large enough to settle or to be in the filter. See, initially macro particles that is removed. Now this is having smaller particles. This is called as micro particles. Okay, these are the impurities. These are impurities. I have to remove this one. So these smaller particles cannot be removed easily. So इसके लिए I have to add some amount of coagulant. Addition of coagulant. So addition of coagulant किसको add करने का? Untreated water. This is which type of water it is? Initially it is untreated water. इसमें already small particles are there. उनको क्या करने का? How to get arrested? So coagulant add करने का. Coagulant add किया तो इसके ऊपर gelatinous material form हो जाएगा. छोटे initially it was only small particle. Coagulant add होने के बाद there is a gelatinous material, so it will become macro particle. समझ में आ रहे हैं? So that is coagulation. Coagulation is a process used to neutralize charges and form gelatinous mass to trap. क्यों it will form a gelatinous mass? Because it has to be arrested. Okay, it has to be removed from the water. ऐसे बड़ा किया तो क्या हो जाएगा? इसका मास इंक्रीज हो जाता है. मास इंक्रीज हो जाता it will get automatically settled. Correct? So that is coagulation. See, here it is one particle, it has become larger. Okay, it has become larger. See, in this one, this red color means what? It is micro particle. This is coagulant. Coagulant डालने के बाद this will become macro particle. Okay, this is one macro particle, this is one macro particle, this is one, again it will become a group of macro particle. Okay, that will be settled here. Again here those macro particle will settled. This is clean water. Okay, that is clean water. See, next one is flocculation. Coagulant add होने के बाद, so directly it will not go and attack to the micro particle. So we should do flocculation. What is this flocculation? Gentle stirring or agitation to encourage the particles, thus formed agglomerate into masses large enough to settle filtered from the solution. See, मैंने जो बोल दिया ना इधर, that is the explanation. So initially we have to add coagulant. That is process को क्या बोलते हैं? Coagulation को बोलते हैं. Flocculation मतलब क्या है? Coagulant add होने के बाद we have to stir it, means we have to mix it. Okay, water we have to mix it. So ऐसे mix करने के बाद क्या हो जाएगा? All the impurities will mix with coagulant. Mix with coagulant होने के बाद जो smaller particle था, okay, impurity, that will mix with coagulant, that will become gelatinous material. Okay, this is एक material है, तो इधर एक particle है, so this is another particle, इधर एक particle, this is another particle, so this will become macro particle now. Okay, so this is macro particle, this is macro particle, this is macro particle. This process stirring मतलब क्या है? It is agitation, that is water and coagulant दोनों mix करने का क्या बोलते हैं? That is flocculation. Is it clear? Flocculation and coagulation.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Coagulation में क्या करते हैं? We will add coagulants. Addition of coagulant add करते हैं. Okay. Then flocculation में क्या करते हैं? That is gentle stirring, or you can call it is agitation. Agitation of water with coagulant to form macro particle. Okay, so that is called as flocculation. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, flocculation मतलब क्या है? See what he will do. Flocculation is a chemical water treatment technique typically applied prior to the sedimentation. So there is next step is sedimentation है, उसके पहले ही करने का. Okay, preferred prior to the sedimentation and filtration. So in this filtration again there is two types: rapid filtration and slow sand filtration, that we'll see later. To enhance the ability of a treatment process to remove the particles. See, this is the chamber. Okay, coagulation is added. So the coagulant is added here. Okay, this is coagulant is added. इसमें क्या है? There are paddles. Okay, this paddles is rotated. Rotate करने के बाद क्या हो जाएगा? There is a small particle. Is it visible? Small particle. This is micro particle. When you add the coagulant, it is rotated. Flocculation क्या करते देखो, इधर flocculation आ गया. Flocculation means it is rotation with power. Okay, they will pass the electrical current and they will rotate this one. ऐसे rotate किया तो water will become stirring. Okay, water will rotate. Water rotate हुआ तो क्या होता है? इसमें जो micro particle था ना, so that will become macro particle. See, one material there will be gelatinous material, another material there will be gelatinous, another material there will be gelatinous. That will become settled down. See, here it is settled. Okay, that is waste water sludge. ऐसे settle हुआ तो क्या बोलते हैं इसको? This is waste water, that is sludge बोलते हैं. This will become treated water बोलते हैं इसको. Okay, that is coagulation, flocculation. So this is sedimentation, means water will become stationary here. Stationary ऐसे एक bucket में water stay किया तो after some times all the smaller particle will get settled, no? So that the sludge is available at the bottom of the tank. This is bottom of the tank. So ऊपर का जो पानी रहता है ना, that will become, that is clean water. Okay, this is the flocculation work. Is it clear, everyone? What is first step? What is first step? Tell me, what is first step? Screening.
Screening.
हाँ, screening से क्या करते हैं? क्या करते हैं screening से?
Removing macro particles.
Macro particles.
Macro.
Next step is aeration. Okay, you should remember this step. Okay, that's why I am repeating. Aeration. Aeration से क्या करते हैं? हाँ, tell me.
Oxygen amount increase.
Dissolved gases.
Yes, removal of dissolved gases, correct? Dissolved gases and increase of oxygen content. Increase of oxygen content. Screening हो गया, aeration हो गया. Next is coagulation. Okay, so here क्या करते? We will add coagulant. Addition of coagulant. Next is what? Flocculation.
Population.
Flocculation में क्या करते? We will stir the water in order to become macroparticle. Microparticle to macroparticle. How it will become macroparticle? By mixing with coagulant. Okay, so mixing with coagulant, a smaller microparticle will attach a gelatinous material that will become macroparticle. It's okay. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, so you should remember the step by step. Next one is clariflocculator. So what is this clariflocculator? So हमने क्या किया था? So first coagulant ऐड किया, flocculator ऐड किया, और एक में clariflocculator. So it will do two chamber work. Okay, clariflocculator. See, clariflocculator is a combination of flocculation and clarification. Flocculation and clarification. What is flocculation? Flocculation मतलब क्या है? Yes, mixing, correct. Mixing of coagulant. Okay, agitation भी ऐसे बोल सकते हैं, mixing भी बोल सकते हैं, और agitation भी बोल सकते हैं, और stirring. समझ में आ रहा है ना? You have to
Yes,
remember
sir.
these words. All are same. Mixing मतलब भी same, agitation means same, stirring means same, flocculation means same. Clarifloculation, it will do two work. One is flocculation work and another one is clarification in a single tank. एक ही टैंक में दो टाइप रहते हैं. It has two concentric tanks where inner tank serves as flocculation. Okay, so इधर देखो, in the previous एक मिनट, इधर देखो हमने टैंक दिखा था ना, इतना छोटा टैंक नहीं रहता. सो आपको दिखाने के लिए इतना छोटा टैंक हमने एक टेस्ट ट्यूब में लिया था, बट इन द फील्ड it will become a large size tank. Okay, it has two tanks where inner one will act as a flocculation basin and outer one will serve as a clarifier. Okay, इधर देखो. Okay, this is inner one. Okay, this is inner one. This will it will act as a flocculator. Flocculator means what? It is agitation, mixing. Next, outer one. So इधर से इधर है ना, so this much is, that is, it will act as a clarifying outer tank. Heavy particles settles to a bottom. The liquid flows radially upward in the clarifier zone. So इधर से क्या होता? पानी इधर मूव हो जाता. Okay, मूव हो जाता. Okay, that will become the heavy particle will settle. Heavy particle will settle in the clarifier. Okay. So और एक मैं डायग्राम दिखाते आपको समझ में आएगा. So how will be the clarifier? see, ये डायग्राम में क्लियर पिक्चर है ना. So this is called as clariflocculator. So inside chamber एक है, correct? This is inside chamber. Is it visible? This is
Yes, sir.
outside. This is outside one.
Sir.
It will act as a clarifier. Inside one will act as a flocculator. इधर देखो. Okay, इधर एक डायग्राम है देखो. So this is inside एक chamber है. So what it will do? Here there is a addition of the coagulant ऐड करते हैं. Coagulant ऐड करने के बाद there is a paddles. Okay, this paddle will rotate. Okay, rotate होने के बाद ये पानी इधर मिक्स हो जाता है. Actually पानी इधर अंदर से आ जाएगा वो. Okay, इधर अंदर एक ये है ना पाइप. Okay, इधर से पानी आते इधर. Okay, आने के बाद इधर मिक्स होते, सभी कोगुलेंट मिक्स होते. मिक्स होने के बाद इधर से पानी इधर बाहर आएगा, रेडियली आउटवर्ड डायरेक्शन. ओके, इधर आने के बाद इतना बड़ा है क्या छोटा है ये टैंक? इज इट स्मॉलर वन और बिग लार्जर वन?
larger one.
Larger.
तो पानी इधर से इधर आने के बाद वेलोसिटी ज्यादा रहता है कि स्लोली आते हैं? Slow, it will become slow down, no? Because as the diameter of the tank increases, velocity decreases. पानी, क्योंकि इधर जितना पानी इधर फोर्स आता रहता है ना, so it will become very slow because water should move in all the direction, radial direction. Okay, very slowly water will move. Okay, in that case, whatever the particles are there, okay, all those particles will settle at the downward direction. Okay, then again this water is taken to the another component. Is this diagram clear, Sabito?
Yes, sir.
So what this name of this component is? What it is? What is the name of this component? Clariflocculator. Clariflocculator. Okay, so don't listen as it is, just you have to write down. आपको नोटबुक में क्या क्या लिखा है अभी सेकंड यूनिट में? सेकंड यूनिट में क्या क्या लिखा है? यस, रोल नंबर 5.
Yes, sir.
what all you have written? आपको नोटबुक में क्या क्या लिखा है? सेकंड यूनिट स्टार्ट कर दिया ना?
हाँ, yes.
हाँ, रोल नंबर 1 2 3 4 5 स्टार्ट किया. सो क्या क्या लिखा है अभी तक? मैंने ये फ्लो चार्ट लिखने के लिए बोला था ना आपको. हाँ, ये फ्लो चार्ट. हैव यू टेकन दिस फ्लो चार्ट? यस एवरीवन.
हाँ, sir. हाँ, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
हाँ, आफ्टर दिस फ्लो चार्ट व्हाट यू हैव रिटन?
सर सब लिखा है हमने.
ये सब लिखा है क्या? नहीं, बाकी लोग ओके 1 और 2% इतना ही लिखा है बोल रहे. सो बाकी लोग हैव यू टेकन दिस इनटेक स्ट्रक्चर?
Flow diagram, intake structure.
Yes, sir.
हैव यू रिटन दिस इनटेक स्ट्रक्चर?
यस
All of
सर.
you.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, इंटेक स्ट्रक्चर होने के बाद स्क्रीनिंग क्या करते हैं वो भी देखिए. हैव यू टेकन दिस वन?
सर ऑल स्लाइड्स लिखते हैं.
ऑल स्लाइड्स. ऑल ऑफ यू आर राइटिंग
sir.
और नो?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू हाउ टू राइट. ओके, देन ओनली आपको समझ में आएगा. हाँ बोलिए, कुछ डाउट है तो? किसी का डाउट है? ओके, anyhow I am uploading this video correct. Once again you have to go through the video. Okay, मैं वो स्क्रीन के ऊपर जो है ना, all the points you have to write it because this terms are very new to you. आपको ये सारे टर्म्स नया है. स्क्रीनिंग, एरिएशन, फ्लोकुलेशन, क्लैरिफ्लोकुलेशन, बराबर है ना? आपको नया है. सो इसके लिए आपको प्रैक्टिस करने का है. ऑल ऑफ यू हैव टू राइट ऑल द पॉइंट्स इन योर नोटबुक. ओके, सो मैंने बीच में कभी भी आपको पूछ सकते हैं, तो यू हैव टू शो मी योर नोटबुक. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो स्क्रीनिंग हो गया, एरिएशन हो गया, नेक्स्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ एरिएशन हो गया, कोआगुलेशन हो गया, फ्लोकुलेशन हो गया. So this is clariflocculator. So the function of clariflocculator क्या क्या है? One is flocculation and another one is clarifier. Correct? Where will be the flocculation? Where will be the flocculator? Inside tank. Where will be the clarifier? Where will be the clarifier? Clarifier is outer tank. See, clarifier is inside the tank. Inner tank will act as flocculation and outer tank will act as outer tank will act as a clarifier. Clear everyone? Okay, this is the diagram. Next one is filtration. See, again I will repeat. First it will from the source to the WTP. How it will come? Through the intake structure. Correct? Intake structure से next step क्या है? Yes, you have to repeat. Intake structure से क्या आते? स्क्रीनिंग से बाद एरिएशन में क्या हो जाएगा? ऑल योर मैक्रो पार्टिकल एंड योर dissolved gases will remove. Next, what is remaining?
Coagulation.
Micro particle remaining in the water that will be removed by coagulation. Coagulation में क्या करते हैं? We will have coagulants. Next, after coagulants, flocculation. ओके फ्लोकुलेशन मतलब क्या है?
What? Coagulant.
Mixing.
Mixing. Okay, that is continuously agitation of water. Okay, that will become your flocculation. Next is clariflocculator. So अभी clariflocculator होने के बाद what we have to do? If there are some micro particles that should be removed, how to remove? With the help of filtration. Filtration. So filtration. So it is a process that removes particles from the suspension. Particles from the suspension in water. See, एक water tank में so macro particle हुआ था. Okay, that particles has removed. So again there are some particles which are suspended. No, suspended ऐसे रहता ना, colloidal particles रहता, suspended particles रहता. So that will be removed by the filtration. Okay, filtration is a process that removes particle from the suspension in water. Removal takes place by the number of mechanisms that including straining, flocculation, sedimentation, and surface capture. Okay, so these are the steps you have to remember. So removal of the particles takes place by the number of mechanisms. There are different mechanisms. Flocculation is one type of mechanism. Okay, I say straining is one more type of mechanism. Sedimentation is one more type of mechanism. Surface capture is one more type of mechanism. So all this will include in filtration. See, so after the clariflocculator, water is brought to the filtration bed. इसमें क्या रहता है? इधर फाइन सैंड रहता है, ऊपर जो सैंड है ना इधर, so up to this much, this is fine sand. Okay, next is there is a gravel. Gravel means that is larger particle size. So fine sand मतलब your whatever sand, its size is less than 4.75 mm, 70 micron to 4.75 mm size. That is fine sand. Next, gravel. Okay, gravel is nothing but, or we can also call it is coarse sand, which the particle size is more than 4.75 mm. Particle size is more than 4.75 size. So इधर जो वाटर आ रहा है ना, whether this water is pure water रहता है क्या और turbid water रहता है? Turbid. Why it is turbid? Because by adding coagulant add होने के बाद what we will do? We will do flocculation. No, flocculation we will do. Flocculation is continuously mixing करते हैं. Continuously mixing होने के बाद this water will be turbid water. Okay, this water will be turbid. So that water is brought to the filtration tank. So this is slow sand filter. Again I say और एक tank है that is rapid sand filter. Okay, so this is slow sand filter. इनमें से ऊपर का जो sand है that is fine sand, नीचे का जो sand है that is coarse sand, और it is called as gravel. So ऐसे पानी इसमें छोड़ा तो all the particles will be arrested at the top of the fine sand, and again जो पानी आ रहे हैं ना that will be filtered and that is taken to the another one, that is clear well. Okay, is it clear? So from the clariflocculator, water is brought to the filtration tank. So in this filtration tank there is a fine sand, there is a gravel. Okay, all the suspended particles and your what is that, another particle, colloidal particles are just arrested at the top of the sand particle, and remaining water will flow at the bottom. Okay, so this will collected in the another tank. Is it clear? See, whatever waste which is settled at the top of the surface of the sand, that is called as skimmed deck. Okay, this is called as skimmed deck. So in the 1 mark question it is asked, what is skimmed deck? So after the clariflocculator or flocculation, so there will be gelatinous material, okay, or colloidal material. So colloidal materials that will be just arrested in the sand. Okay, so this entire layer को क्या बोलते हैं? This is skimmed deck. Okay, you should remember this spelling. Okay, SCHIMMED MUTZDECKE, skimmed deck ऐसे बोलने का, skimmed deck. So afterwards, whatever water is there, that is taken into clear well. Is it clear? Filtration
स्ट्रेनिंग मतलब
क्या हो? Staining, screening. Yes, क्या बोल रहे थे आप?
स्ट्रेनिंग
Screening.
स्ट्रेनिंग स्ट्रेनिंग
Training, sir.
Straining. Okay, straining. Yes, yes, straining. Yes, this is another one. It means whatever the particles are there. अभी देखो, this is water में micro particles है. इसको pressure देने का, pressure देने का मतलब we should give pressure. Pressure दिया है तो that will become strain. Strain होने के बाद that will become harder particle. Harder होने के बाद that will get settled. Okay, this is another method that will see straining. Okay, we should give pressure to the particles, and that is flocculation. Sedimentation कैसे मतलब? So by providing the sedimentation tank, एक large, okay, so this will be the large tank. So ऐसे टैंक में वाटर सेटल करने का, सेटल किया तो so जी वो नीचे जो मड रहता ना, that is mud is nothing but your waste. ऊपर जो पानी that is clear water. Then surface capture. Sometimes the ऊपर जो after mixing your claret calculator, ऊपर जो ये आता है ना flock, that flock is removed. That is with the help of surface capture. Okay, these all are different methods of your filtration. Clear?
यस सर
Okay. Next, filtration. So in this filtration, there are two methods. One is mechanical straining, another one is sedimentation. So the filtration process is carried out in the following four methods. So first one is mechanical straining. In this, sand consists of small pores, therefore suspended particles which are larger in size cannot pass through the sand particles. See the ऊपर जो इधर देखो बेड में, दिस इज फिल्ट्रेशन. सो देयर आर टू पार्ट, वन इज फाइन सैंड, अनदर वन इज कोर्स सैंड. ओके, और यू कैन कॉल इट इज ग्रेवल. इसमें जो पार्टिकल्स है ना सैंड, एक सैंड और दूसरा सैंड के बीच में जो गैप है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज वाइड. एक सैंड और दूसरा सैंड के बीच में जो गैप रहता है ना उसको क्या बोलते हैं? वाइड्स बोलते हैं. सो इफ द पार्टिकल साइज इज लार्जर देन द वाइड्स ऑफ द fine sand, then those particles will get arrested. Those particles will get arrested. Which particle will get arrested? The particles which are larger than the voids of the fine sand will get arrested. Okay, that is what he is explaining. Sand consists of small pores, therefore suspended particles which are larger in size cannot pass through the sand. Correct. Small particles of suspended impurities adhere with causing further reduction in the pores. This increases straining. See, there is a small pores, correct? इसमें क्या होता है? Smaller particles, that will go and arrest to the soil particle, sand particles. Okay, so again I will draw another pic here. Okay, so this is sand bed. Okay, I will take sand bed. Think that this is sand, this is sand. Okay, so this is sand. So what it will do, the heavier particles, that is, this is a solid particle. The solid particle which are more than the wide size, that will be arrested here, and those are very less. Okay, that will come and that will get arrested, attached to the sand particle. Correct? Because water is gelatinous water. Okay, अभी कोआगुलेंट मिक्स हो गया इसके साथ. सो इसके लिए ऐसे मिक्स सैंड पार्टिकल को ट्रैप हुआ तो इसका साइज, वाइड साइज इंक्रीज होता है, डिक्रीज होता है? वाइड साइज, whether it is increasing or decreasing? Decreasing. Initially the sand particle is only this much. Now the gelatinous material is adhered to the sand particle. ऐसे इंक्रीज हो गया ना, सैंड पार्टिकल इंक्रीज हो गया, वाइड स्पेस क्या हो गया? डिक्रीज हो गया. आर यू गेटिंग?
यस
Okay.
सर
ऐसे small particles are suspended in impurities. Adhere means what? That will attach to the sand particles. That will attach to the small particles. it will attach to the small particles, and further the reduction in pore size. Pore size मतलब wide size. This increases the straining action. Okay, ये क्या होता है इसके स्ट्रेनिंग, जो मटेरियल है ना माइक्रो पार्टिकल्स, दैट विल स्ट्रेन विल इंक्रीज. Okay, this is mechanical straining. Next one is sedimentation. What it will do, the voids act as settling basin. So इधर जो voids है ना ये बीच में that will act as settling zone or settling basins. The particles are arrested due to gelatinous film formation and attraction between the particles. Yes, अभी इधर जो gelatinous particles, ये क्या है, ये सारे क्या है, this is gelatinous particles, correct? This is gelatinous particles over the sand particle. ऐसे होने के बाद इसके ऊपर जो particle micro particles will come, that will rest here, so it will become settling zone or settling basin. The voids act as settling basin. The particles are arrested due to the gelatinous film formation. So ऐसे और एक particle आए तो that will get arrested here, और एक दूसरा particle आए तो that will get attached to this one. Okay, all the particles will get attached to this one. Okay, that is in the sedimentation tank. Is it clear? Mechanical straining means it will decrease the void size. Sedimentation means what? It will attach all the microparticles to the gelatinous material. सबको क्लियर हो गया मैकेनिकल स्ट्रेनिंग एंड सेडिमेंटेशन?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nice. So next one is biological action. So in this biological action में क्या करते हैं? Suspended impurities contain some portion of organic impurities, correct? So impurity मतलब there may be organic, there may be inorganic. Organic में क्या रहते हैं? Algae और any bacteria, pathogenic bacteria वगैरह रहते हैं. Okay, that will form a layer. Organic matter will form a layer. This food consumed by the microorganisms with chemical and biological action. Okay, so in the filtration tank I say sand particle के ऊपर वो skimmed deduct कर रहा था ना, so इसमें क्या रहा था? It may contain organic and inorganic particle. So in this one organic क्या रहते हैं? It may be algae रहने का, it may be bacteria or anything. Okay, this organic material will take it as a food. There will be some microorganisms in the water. Okay, those microorganisms will eat this organic matter, so that will become with the help of chemical and biological action. That process को क्या बोलते हैं? Biological action. After biological action there is electrolytic action. So what is that electrolytic action? Sand particles of the filter media carry electrical charges. So इधर क्या है? Sand particles है. So sand particles are carrying some electrical charges. Okay, so of opposite in nature. Sand particles of the filter media carry electrical charges of opposite nature. Therefore they attract each other and neutralize. So sand particle में जो ये रहता है ना charge particle, and your water का जो particle will get attract each other and they will get neutralized. The characteristics of water are thus changed. So hence the characteristics of water will get changed. Washing of filter media renews the electrical charge. Just you should remember in the electrical action में, so जो sand particles रहता उसको अलग charge रहता, that will neutralize with water in the electrical action. Okay, so there are 4 methods in filtration. First one is what? Mechanical staining, mechanical straining. Next, second one is what? Second one is what you have taken? So sedimentation. So next one is, second one is sedimentation. Okay, sedimentation. Next, third one is biological action. Fourth one is electrical action, electrolytic action. Is it clear? Filtration. Okay. So after filtration, so now all the water is removed, microparticle is removed, macroparticle is removed. Okay, from the filtration. So now what is remaining? Can you tell me what is remaining in the water? There are some bacteria are remaining, correct? Harmful bacteria. So those bacteria should be removed. Okay, that is removed with the help of disinfection. With the help of disinfection. The goal of disinfection of the public water supplies is elimination of pathogens that are responsible for waterborne diseases. What is pathogens? Pathogen मतलब क्या है? What is pathogens? These are the bacteria.
Causing bacteria.
Yes.
Diseases causing bacteria.
Yes, bacteria which cause disease to the human being. Okay, pathogen means which are harmful to the living beings. Okay, so we have to remove the pathogenic bacteria. We are not supposed to remove harmless bacteria. Okay, that will be there, but we are just, our aim is to remove the only pathogenic bacteria. Okay, the goal of disinfection is to elimination of pathogen. You have to, especially you have to mention pathogenic only, you have to mention. Okay, non-pathogenic we are not supposed to remove. We should keep as it is. Only we have to remove pathogenic bacteria. Why? Because they are responsible for the waterborne diseases. They will give the waterborne. Sometimes cholera will come. Sometimes dysentery will form. Okay, so all these are the waterborne diseases. The transmission of disease such as typhoid, okay, paratyphoid, fever, cholera, salmonella disease, okay, shigellosis can be controlled with the treatment of substantially to reduce the total number of variable microorganisms in the water. See, why the people are getting all types of disease means because of polluted water. Okay, typhoid आ रहे क्यों आ रहे? Because of consumption of polluted water. Paratyphoid fever आ रहे because of water fault. Cholera आ रहे because of water fault. So all these diseases are because of water, polluted water. That's why you have to consume which type of water? Wholesome water. What is wholesome water? The water which is fit for drinking. The water which is fit for drinking is called as wholesome water. Okay, so you are not supposed to drink your polluted water. Okay, for that purpose we have to do disinfection. Disinfection is the removal of pathogenic bacteria from the water, filtered water. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, so next step is theory of disinfection. Yes, sir. So how disinfection is done? Correct. So that is the theory of disinfection. So what is disinfection? Why it is to be done? What is disinfection? Removal of, yes, tell me, removal of non-pathogenic bacteria or pathogenic bacteria.
Pathogenic.
Pathogenic.
Yes.
Pathogenic.
So removal of pathogenic bacteria from the filtered water is called as disinfection. See, here it is given. So what is disinfection? Microorganisms are destroyed. Sorry, microorganisms are destroyed or deactivated, resulting in termination of growth. Means we can remove completely destroyed or we can deactivate. It means they should not give any harm or it should not give any reproduction, such that they represent no significant risk of infection. Okay, we should make it as inactive. Okay, it should not make any risk of infection. When microorganisms are not removed for drinking water will cause people to fall ill. Okay, if we are not removing the pathogenic bacteria, then that may lead to the ill effect on the humankind. Okay, that's why we have to remove the pathogenic bacteria. Okay. When water leaves the filter plant, it is still found it contains some of the impurities. Okay, what are the impurities? Bacteria, virus, protozoa, dissolved inorganic salts, color, odor, taste. Okay, iron and manganese. Sometimes it is there, so that all will be taken care in the filtration. Okay, just you should remember to remove the pathogenic bacteria in the disinfection. So after disinfection, next step is ETP. Okay, see, so what is ETP? Okay, we will effluent treatment plant. Effluent treatment plant. It is a process. It is a process of design for treating the industrial waste water for its reuse or safe disposal to the environment. Okay, so this ETP we will take in the next class. Okay, this will come in the wastewater. Okay, so एक बार disinfection होने के बाद that water is stored in the overhead tank. Okay, see, after this disinfection, water is stored in the overhead tank. Yes. Now what I will do, I will write all the steps. First, where will be the water? Water कहाँ पर रहते? Tell me, where is water first? Are you there? सोर्स में रहते, सोर्स से कैसे लेके आते? WTP. ओके, WTP को कैसे लेके आते? विद द हेल्प ऑफ व्हाट? विद द हेल्प ऑफ व्हाट? ये क्या बोलते हैं? इंटेक स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, इंटेक स्ट्रक्चर. There now it is WTP will start. So WTP के first component is what? What is first component? Screening. Okay. This is after the screening, where it will transferred? Aeration. Correct. Okay. After aeration, where it will be transferred? Coagulation. Okay. After coagulation, where it will brought? Flocculation. Okay. So ये दोनों के मिलके क्या हो जाते हैं? Clariflocculator भी बोल सकते हैं. Correct? Clariflocculator. Okay. Sometimes clariflocculator. Okay. After clariflocculator, where it will be brought to?
Filtration.
Okay. After this one, filtration. Okay. So after filtration, where it will brought to the? Disinfection. Sedimentation will come here only.
Disinfection.
Okay? The filtration only will occur. Disinfection. Okay. After disinfection, it will stored in the overhead tank. Tank में store करते. After overhead tank to, it will supply to the distribution system. Okay. Distribution system means what? Your public. Okay, public. See, whatever you are drinking water in your home, is it direct water from the river or from the dam, or it has gone to the entire WTP? See, from the screening to till this one, this is called as entire WTP. What is WTP?
Water treatment
plant.
Screening में क्या निकाल सकते हैं हम? What is removed here? Macroparticles. From the aeration में क्या निकलते हैं?
Dissolved
gases.
Dissolved gases, that is H2S and CO2 and NO2, and it will increase the oxygen content. Correct. Next, again in coagulation we will add coagulant. Okay, here it is flocculation. Again clariflocculator. So filtration, all the microparticles are removed. Again in disinfection, what is removed? Pathogenic bacteria. Bacteria are removed. Again from the distribution tank, it is stored in the overhead tank. So from the overhead tank, that is removed taken to the distribution system. This is the entire process of water treatment plant. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in the next class we will see how the अभी देखो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम के सप्लाई करने के बाद मतलब हमारे घर को वाटर आने के बाद दैट वाटर इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू वेस्ट वाटर करेक्ट how to treat that waste water that will become effluent treatment plant ETP बोल सकते हैं okay that will see in the next class okay I will upload this PPT in the teaching diary now so you have to go through the entire PPT also and again you have to watch this entire video lecture once again आपको कुछ डाउट वगैरह है तो is it clear
Yes, sir.
is there any doubt to anybody okay now I will take the attendance okay within a minute one roll number 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 roll number 12 37 57 60 61 62 62 is last no okay absent numbers 2 12 37 57 60 61 62 any other numbers okay
Sir, 51.
51 is present okay okay so now I will stop here we will continue in the next class okay so thank you all